Hello everyone. My name is Vikas Ramesh Sharma and I'm the Area General Manager for Courtyard Surat and Courtyard Vadodara. I follow Ricky Chadha as an astro healer on YouTube. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Ricky Chandaya from Astro Healer. We are just at the end of this month and we are looking forward to a new month, September. I thought that I should talk about the month September, what is in store for you, what are the events, what is the possibility for each Lagna and each Rashi for the month of September. So friends, I am here with few of my predictions for the month of September, right from the sign Aries to the sign of Pisces. Also, I would want you to understand there are two basic and important transit that at least I am looking forward to is a transit on the 6th of Mars and the other transit which I am actually very eager to know what is in store for us from the transit of Jupiter, which is retrograde and coming back to the sign of Capricorn. It is going to meet, the Guru is going to meet the taskmaster, Shani Dev. In my view, whenever a planet goes retrograde, comes back, my belief is that few things which were supposed to be done couldn't be done is the reason why a planet goes retrograde. The planet goes retrograde to make some correction. That is the reason why they say that when a planet is retrograde, people who are affected by this retrogression, they go into introspection, which means we try to get into our past, whether what good I have done, what bad I have done. Now this Guru coming back and meeting Saturn, let's see what is in store. I'm going to definitely make a video on Jupiter coming back on the 14th of September. Wait for my video. Anyway, let us start with the September. What is it that is waiting for you for all the zodiac sign, right from Aries to Pisces? Give me a moment and I'm starting with this. So friends, for the zodiac sign, the Lagna of Aries. See, Aries people, I mean to say people with the Lagna as Aries or maybe moon sign, I leave it to you. There is going to be a very mixed result. Some of the aspects of your life is going to be very favorable for you, while other few areas definitely needs some attention where you need to make some correction. Your economical condition will be quite good during this period, for the period of September. Income level also may increase. Your career is going to remain stable, if not good. If you are a student, if you are doing some studies, further studies, higher studies, okay, you will do very well in your respective field. In the domestic life, there could be some challenges, at least for the initial say 15 days of September, after which things will definitely improve for you. And when I say initial half period of September, I am referring to couples. I am referring to people who are married or they are into relationship. Because there is a chances, okay, that you may get into some conflict. I want you to respect each other, understand each other. And I also see that if you are waiting for a very long time, this is the time to tie the knot. That means get married. So it's a favorable time for the couples as well. Now, you may be a little concerned about the health of your parents, mother or father, and you need to take good care of them. That also means that you have to keep an eye on your health itself. Rest, I can tell you that yes, things are good for you. See, your hard work, your efforts, your planning is now going to bring result, and your earning also is going to improve. If there is some money which you were supposed to get from somewhere and for some reason it got stuck somewhere, during this time there are chances that the flow of money, even the stuck money, is going to come back to you. A family member, could be brother, could be sister, could be uncles, whoever it is, even they will help you, and because of their support and their help, things are going to improve economically. And if you are a employee somewhere, you are a job holder, then there are chances that because of your work, your hardship, your the dedication of work, the company or the employer is going to maybe give you some ex gratia or some incentive as well. Both Mercury and Venus, okay, is aspecting in your 12th to your 12th house. So there could be some uncontrollable expenses as well. So it's not bad to spend money, but then you make sure that you spend the money on the right thing. September month can be a little challenging. I've told you this earlier also, as far as the health is concerned. Now, there are some conjunction of planets, okay, which may not be not very favorable for you. And when I say not favorable, means it's going to affect your health, especially your digestive system, your stomach, your intestine, maybe some gases, and then indigestion. Also keep an eye on your eye, I would say, because eye trouble also is seen in the month of September. That's it for the sign or the lagna of Aries. The next I shall be talking about is the sign of Taurus. For the sign of Taurus as lagna, if I'm talking about your career, if you want to know something about your career, you are going to receive very favorable response, whether you have applied for a job or if you're looking for a promotion, if you are if you have put in a lot of hard work. This time also is a very good time if you're applying for a government job or anything, maybe a government contract job or whatever. But people who are into business or doing their own business, self employed, they may have a little trouble this time. So just keep a low profile. If you are a student, if you are studying, then life is going quite smooth. You are doing well, and your concentration is also increasing, and it's a very smooth sail for you as a student. There is also a chance if you are giving a competitive exam, then I see that there is a probability, there are chances that you will clear this exam. Domestic life, family life will have some peaks and valley, means it will go up and down, and you have to be careful about it. Love life also is going to test your patience. Maybe a little difficult for you, but here you have to exhibit patience, otherwise things may go out of your hand. Financial aspects, financial scene is quite stable. So expenses, yes, would remain on a higher side. Health should, you have to give priority to your health, because your diet of lately, whatever you have been eating, maybe you're eating too much of junk food, or you're not eating the healthy food, or it's not quite nutritional. So this may cause a little problem. It's all relating to your diet. It's a good time if you, the planet suggests that if you're looking for a government job, or you are looking for, maybe some people apply for government job, or they apply for, they give some tender or something. So something favorable is coming from the government. A promotion also is on card. So if you have actually worked very hard on a project and the company is happy with whatever you have achieved, I see a promotion, or I even see maybe a salary hike, increment, or whatever you call. If you are into job, the time is favorable. But if you are into business, or you are a business professional, you may have to face some challenges. There is a chances of a transfer of a job. So maybe I see what we call as a geographical shift, location, or department change. But it is going to be desirable location. So that means it's going to be what you like. Some of a senior person who has been watching you working has finally decided that yes, it is time for you to be rewarded. So is this promotion coming for you? If you are into a partnership in a business, there could be some trouble or turbulent time with the partner. So keep a low profile here. In partnership, whatever you have done, whatever you have contributed, maybe you will start thinking the other person has not put in so much of work, and it is only me who is doing all the hard work. Okay, agreed. But then just cool down. Let this phase pass and see what happens after the 14th of September. There are some planetary movement which will definitely go in favor of you. Next sign I shall be talking about is the sign Gemini. For the sign of Gemini, what is in store for you for the month of September? Good and the bad both. Good and the bad circumstances you will be at the receiving end, whether it's good or bad. In terms of career, if you're looking for your career or you're worried about your career, you will definitely receive a very favorable result this time. Whatever hard work you have put in, the efforts that you have put in, it is time to now gain from that efforts. I mean to say, in your career. If you have really pitched in the honest efforts, your business, if you are into business, your business will definitely expand. If there was few hurdles, if there was few obstacles, okay, in the beginning, or maybe in the beginning of the month, then later on your academic, if you're a student, I'm talking about a student now, it is a very fruitful time for you. So if you work very hard, if you put in all the efforts, if your concentration is maintained, okay, there are chances that you will clear the most difficult competitive exams also. Family life is going to be satisfactory. The first half of the month, but later on, 14th of September and onwards, okay, you may face maybe a little difficulty. Jupiter in the 8th house, okay. Financial situation will be sensitive this month. Income will improve, income will come, but there is also possibility of loss of money. Now, loss of money could be because from somewhere you may get some bills, some people will call upon you where you have to clear your debts, maybe you have got some EMIs to be cleared, and all those things will happen, and that may put you into trouble. Okay, anyway, that is only for a short time, don't have to worry much about it. Health problems, yes, okay, may be some concern, which is why you should be very careful. So make sure that you eat healthy food, nutritive food, good food. Next sign I shall be talking about is a sign of Cancer. For the Cancer Lagna, people with the Cancer Lagna, this month is full of ups and down, peaks and valley. But it's okay. That's how life goes on. During the initial days of this month, situation is going to be in your favor. So whatever you are desirous of, you are achieving it. You may also achieve success in your job as well as business if you are a businessman. A promotion also is on card. So a promotion is there. But with regards to, if you are a student, with regards to education, yes, regarding education also this month is good because the planetary movement suggests that it is going to be a good period for you. Those who wish to complete higher education, maybe you have just done your graduation, you want to do your masters or something like that, then this is going to be a very successful time for you. Domestic life also, your family life also is going to be excellent, good. On an economical front, that means money, economical front also, the time is very favorable for you. Now, you may say, I was talking about ups and down, ups and down. Where are the downs then? Down comes here. For couples or people who are married, okay, this month is going to turn to a little, challenging for you. So this is the down I'm talking about. Health also is going to remain a little low. So these are the two downs, and all the other things were up for you. So family life, married life, if you are in love relationship, and if you are into health, take care of yourself. Next sign I shall be talking about is Leo. Okay, let's talk about Leo. Leo as Lagna or moon sign. The month remains ordinary. Not good, not bad, moderate. If you are talking about professional life, if you are a professional person working somewhere, the time is favorable for you. You will keep earning your money, your income, and everything is going very decent. There's no problem as such. But your aggressive nature or attitude may cause some problem for future. You need to control that. If you are a student and if you are looking for higher studies, then the time is favorable for you. And especially if you're planning to go abroad for studies, then this is really a good time for you. There will be a little dissatisfaction in domestic life, and the month of September is going to just be a little mixed result as far as the family is concerned. By the end of this month, when September is ending, okay, this time is going to be actually a little challenging for you. So you need to be a little careful, and you have to control your expenses, keep some money, okay, as a backup. You should also learn how to keep a balance, in the inflow and outflow of money. So whatever you are receiving and how much are you spending, you need to keep a check on that also. Trouble to your health, keep a check on your health, please. This area also requires, this is a concerned area, I would say. And if the health cause a concern, you should not ignore it. Go to the right doctor and don't take any chance. My advice. Next sign we shall be talking about is the sign of Virgo. For people with Virgo as the Lagna, September is going to prove the month of a very generous month. Okay. You will be very lucky, quite lucky, I would say that. Okay. What you have to remain, careful with regards to other areas of life. You are lucky, no doubt about it. Now, to begin with, what are the areas you need to, okay? If we talk about your career and people who are a job holder already, you may face some problem during the initial 14-15 days, and then things are going to be quite favorable for you. The second part of the month, which means after 14th, is going to be very favorable for you. So you have to only drag along for the first 14 days. If you are a student and if you are pursuing some course, education, career of any field, okay, there would be some difficulties, but once you enroll into it, so suppose you're taking an admission and this admission is not happening, but once you enroll into it, then I see that it's going to be very positive for you. And you may think, okay, this decision was right. I've taken a good decision and this is what was required. Those who want to do higher studies, which means you are already graduate or you are a master and you want to do PhD or something like that, and if that university or that education is in a foreign country, abroad, then also it's a very favorable time for you. Okay. Domestic life will be quite satisfactory, but love life, lovers, little sad. Stay away for some time. Okay, I think you both should go for a vacation separately. Yes. So, two different places. Okay. At the same time, if you are married, you may face difficulty here also, especially the second half of the month. But sorry, the first half of the month, second half of the month is going to be a bit better than the first 15 days. Economical condition is good. You will acquire a significant amount. Money is coming, my dear. Oh, so lot of money is coming, my dear. Lot of money is coming. See, I am a good friend of yours. Please remember me. With regards to your health, you may just be a little careful. Don't worry much about it. Just enjoy your life. So this was all about Virgo. The next sign we shall be talking about is Libra. For the Libra people, Libra Lagna. Okay. I see it is going to be, a month of extremely favorable result, and at the same time extremely unfavorable result also, or negative result also. So professional life is profitable, money, earning, income, all those things also is increasing, and your business also, if it was not picking up, the momentum was not there, the business also is picking up. Domestic life also is very happy, very prosperous, there is no problem. But I would advise you to avoid the interference of a third person in your life. That means if there is some third person who is unnecessarily trying to come in between, that could create a little trouble. Because that person may not have a good eye on your relationship and is trying to, something is fishy there. Okay. Your income is going to remain very static, good. Expenses also would be a little free, but then that's okay. You may spend money on luxurious item, but then please control. This is not the time to keep on spending money. Love relation, I told you, extremely favorable and extremely negative. This is the negative. So love relationship may have some blows, some problems. You may try to make you're trying to make some attempt to make your life, the love life better. But still, you have to take care of this, or it's not going to be so easy for you. As far as your health is concerned, you will face no such problematic situation. That's a good news. Health is going to remain good. But love life, I didn't want to share this information with you. It's so sad. But anyway, take care of it. It's a matter of 1 month. Things will become better. Next sign I shall be talking about is a sign of Scorpio. For Scorpio Lagna, oh my God, after a very long time, I am reading something where I'm trying to, your chart which I have just made, it looks quite favorable for me. Yes, frankly speaking. So I would say the month of September is going to be favorable for you. Now, when I say favorable, what do you mean by that? See, as far as your professional life is concerned, this month seems to be quite exciting, I would say. You will be walking towards the achievement of your goals, and you will be earning a very decent amount of benefit, profit, whatever you say. Academic life, if you are a student, if you are a student, the month of September is going to be quite profitable for you for studies. Money inflow in your hand, so that money which comes to your hand also is going to be a real good substantial amount coming to you. Domestic life also is very blissful. Oh my god, everything is seems to be quite good over here. But however, you are advised to keep a tap on your words. Yes, when you speak, make sure that you are not very blunt, especially in your love relationship. I do not want you to bring those, the harsh words, because that may spoil things for you. So when everything is going, money is coming, profession is good, everything is fine. Why do you want to spoil the fun? Married natives may come across an very favorable time. So if you are a married man, good time for you. Overall speaking, I would say month of September is still going to be quite happy, and if you were facing some health issues of lately, that also is coming under control. Very much under control, I would say that. So good time for you. Next sign we shall be talking about is a sign of Sagittarius. For Sagittarius Lagna or moon sign, successful month. One statement if I have to give you: successful month as far as career, job, business is concerned. Money is coming to you big way, a real big way. Money is coming to you. Your respect is increasing. If off lately you were going through a very bad phase, things are really improving for you. Full-fledged support from luck. That means the fortune is actually smiling at you, and your efforts, whatever efforts you have put in, is you're getting good results. You will be successful in completing some of the pending tasks. Excitement, joy is in the air. Good time. Academically, that means if you're a student also, speaking about students, this month is going to be quite favorable time for you. And lovebirds in romance, it's almost like a honeymoon phase. Happy. Okay. Married natives, people who are married, okay, will also remain. The domestic life also is going to be very, very good for you. You may even get a chance to spend some time with your sibling as well. So, good time with your lover, good time if you're married with your wife, good time to spend with your brother and sisters. You can even participate if you want into a religious event, because ninth house also is concerned over here. There may be some, if you may go to a pilgrimage journey as well. Health also is stable, good and fine. There may be some good news from your children's side. Maybe they passed some examination, or they may come off with flying colors or something like that. Also, overall speaking, the month is going to be full of joy, happiness for you. Sagittarius, please don't forget that you are under the Saraswati last phase. Okay, this is the time when things are going to really work very, very good for you. So, happy. Stay blessed. The next sign we shall be talking about is Capricorn. Capricorn, the month of September for you, Capricorn Lagna. The month of September, I would say, or I would rank it as average. Professional life, you may get a warning. You have to be very, very careful over here. So, it's an average month. In your professional life, you have to be very alert. With regards to your professional life and career, I'm repeating it, the second half of the month will turn out to be great. So make sure that from the 1st of September right up till Jupiter enters into the sign of Capricorn, your own sign, okay, just calm down, after which things are going to be better for you. If you are a student, okay, the time is good for you. If you are unemployed for a very long time, you may just finally get a job. Clashes in family, within family, is also possible. Also, this time can turn out to be very favorable for you, okay, as far as a relationship is concerned. And if you are planning to get married or something, yes, it's a good time for you. Health also seems to be moderate. I won't say good, I won't say bad. But see, health is something different. What I'm going to talk about next is going to be accident. So you have to take care when you are driving, riding, crossing the road, or anything of that sort. Make sure that you are a little vigilant, stay alert, or there is a chances of an accident. Fine. Next sign we shall be talking about is the sign of Aquarius. Aquarius Lagna. This month, I'm talking about the month of September. From the point of view of career, it seems to be a good time. Yes, okay. Professional success can be seen over here. Respect will increase. If you are a student, success for you. From the perspective of a family, okay, you will get a little mixed result. And in love affair, it's going to be a very smooth period for you. Marriage proposals will flood. So many marriages will be coming that you will be tired of screening those proposals. Now, but if you are married, now this is a different story altogether. If you are married, you need to make a lot of, adjustments, I would say. Otherwise, things may get worse due to tensions. I see things will improve, no doubt about it. Talking about finances, the situation may be a little weak this time for this month. Accidental expenses, here and there, miscellaneous expenses would be there. It would be better that you avoid taking loans as far as possible. If it is really very urgent, I don't say that you may need money, but as far as possible, try to keep away from loans. If you talk about your health, this is a time to be a little careful. Yes, especially for those people who already have some chronic diseases. Otherwise, you may have a little bit of viral fevers and all those things are going to go on. So this was all for Aquarius. Next sign, the last sign in the zodiac belt for the month of September will be Pisces. So friends, the last sign, Pisces. This is going to be ordinary, okay month for people who are Pisces. Keep moving forward. Just keep on walking. There would be a little bit of ups and downs, but you have to walk amidst into the you have to walk in the storm now. You will have to stretch your edges, okay, to gain success. And success will definitely come to you, but you have to really put a lot of efforts. There are chances that you will be getting success in competitive exams. So if you're a student and if you're giving an exam, competitive exams, then success is there. Happiness and prosperity is there in family life. Domestic life is fine. For love relationship, I would say this could be a real challenging month for you. Domestic happiness, yes. Parivar, everything is fine. Now, the problem is with your love relationship could be a little challenging. And especially the initial first part of the month. So I say 14th of September, 15th of September, initial part will be specifically very difficult. Ex-lover. So now if you were in relationship, you broke off and you have an ex-lover, he is coming back to you. Now this information, I don't know whether you're happy about it or you are sad about it. But if you're actually waiting for him, he's coming back. He is coming back or she is coming back. I'm sorry, I shouldn't always think the other way. Unmarried native are also chances of getting married. So if you are a Piscean by Lagna or by moon sign, and if you are almost waiting for marriage, marriage is happening. And if you are married, okay, mixed results. I would say mixed results for you. I would request you that you have to be careful regarding your health. Yes, Pisces health. Because both, if you have been suffering from some disease for a long time, okay, then you have to be really careful. Otherwise, the month is okay for you. There are challenges, no doubt about it, but then it's just a matter of 30 days and then things are going to be okay with you. So, fine. So friends, this was all about all the 12 signs that I have been talking about for the month of September. And if you have liked the video, do share my video. Click on the notification bell icon as well. Subscribe to my channel. And if you want to consult me for any reason, in the description box down there, I have got my name, I have got my number, I have got my email ID. Try to contact me on WhatsApp if possible. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.